Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Now today I've got a bit of a funny comparison. I have a M2 iPad Pro, latest and greatest, and it's got all the bells and whistles, and I'm comparing that against the Lenovo Tab M10 HD. That's a mouthful, very confusing name, really needs to work on that name. Okay, so I'm just comparing these just from a dad's point of view, because what happened with me is, as you guys might know, I have, those of you who have been following the channel for quite some time, I have an iPad Pro 10.5 inch that I've been using for so long, and what happened was it died a few times. So I asked Apple, hey, give me another solution. So they gave me a M2 iPad Pro, and I don't feel like that's the right iPad I should be giving to my son to play around with when he's doing his homework. So what I did was I looked around and I found this thing, hence all the stickers, by the way. So let me get these stickers out of the way. These are the screens. So you've got the 10 inch against the 11 inch. It does feel quite big compared to the 10 inch. So the 10 inch would start there, okay, and end there. So it does feel quite big, and another thing that you guys have to consider is the 120 Hertz ProMotion. This keeps going down, so don't judge it right now. So if you're, by the way, judging the brightness of the screen, so judge it right now, because this keeps reducing it, whereas this wouldn't, because I've just turned it up, and Apple are smart, because once you turn it up, it doesn't keep jiggling it around for a while. So the main reason I'm using the Tab 10 is just for reading eggs, Khan Academy kids, and some YouTube, and that's basically it. Some internet searches, this and that, that's about it. For that, I think the iPad Pro is such a waste of time and money. The iPad Pro here right now, just by itself, costs $13.99 Aussie dollars, whereas this little guy over here, it only cost me 150 bucks, and it came with the case, and you can do the whole flip thing with the case and stand it and all that stuff, and it works really well. Sure, it is a tiny bit slow, so as you guys can see, that wasn't too bad. Okay, opening that up, that wasn't too bad, and it wasn't in the drawer, so it's got quite a few things in the drawer as well that have been opened, so it's not bad at all. The battery is fantastic on this thing, I can attest for that. It's, I think, got over 500 milliamp hours, and it doesn't really chew through batteries. I really like that sense of it. Yes, Google has issues with privacy, but so does Apple. They just wear it differently, but they sell you advertising as well based on your views and all that stuff. What you can do with Google is, though, you can uninstall it and install like Graphene OS and things like that to be more privacy conscious. But for just everyday use, it's really nice to have. It's really easy. I've got a pin on it. We monitor our son really easily with this iPad. We're really happy with it. No issues, no complaints there whatsoever. This guy is a complete waste of money for this sort of stuff. The only thing that I can recommend is, if you're a professional, then the M2 iPad might be something that'll benefit you, but I'm a content creator. I do a lot of camera work and all that. It's just rubbish. It's just useless for me. I'm using a M1 Max MacBook Pro 16 inch. I'm very happy with it. Has the SD card, has the HDMI cable, has all the connections I can just plug in, and it's a proper computer. Whereas I've used the Final Cut and Logic Pro on this, not too impressed, a bit too finicky for me. Yeah, if you're really out and about and you really need to be super mobile and you don't care about your funds, yeah, then I can go, yep, get this, you know what I mean? Get this, not an issue there at all. It's lighter, it's easier to work with. But if you can buy a second-hand M1 MacBook Air, that'll blow this out of the water, because it's better cooled, one, and even though it's an M1, but it's a proper laptop. It'll give you all the other features that comes with a proper laptop, and it'll be cheaper. So that's that. For everything else, just everyday use, this is a tiny bit slower, to be honest, but it's very convenient. It's very easy to use, and I really like it. Let's put them side by side for you guys as well. Make a nice short video. So this is thinner. This is a tiny bit heavier than this, but it comes with a case. It's very child friendly, very child proof. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it. Please do like, subscribe and share. It helps out a lot. Thank you so much. Take good care. Bye bye.